HCF of 210, 495, 980. Please do not go by the traditional method. If you go by the traditional method, you are trying to waste your time. You only sit in my class for optimal methods. Now see, HCF of 210, 495, 980. This number is divisible by 10. This number is divisible by 10. Answer will be 10 only when this is divisible by 10. Unit digit is 5. For a number to be divisible by 10, unit digit should be 0. 10 is not possible, 20 is not possible. Right, 15. For a number to be divisible by 15, it should be divisible by 5 and 3. 5 and 3 means question should have a number whose sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Right? 9 plus 8, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So answer is 5.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.